Standard quirky board. Tab clear, tab set. You can put red, black, clear if you have to change it as a tab, so when you're typing you can use your palm and type that. It was innovative at the time, so you could type real fast. First of all, let's check out the type. We put the paper in here. Just hear the bell. There's the bell. Let's look under the hood per se. This has the original spools. You have touch control, which the pressure on the keys. Turn right here the direction of the spool. Make sure to see how the ribbon goes. They get stuck, and then that pulls it up, so it's easy changing. Slides to the back, goes to the front. Make sure you put the red on the bottom. This one has the magic tab, magic margin. This one loosens up this so it moves. This one you move it back and forth. 1, 2, 3 lines. Has the measurement down here. Then you can turn the patent. There you can release the margins, set the margins. This one loosens up the bottom of the page, the paper. That one there you press to move the carriage back and forth. Just flip that up. Flip that up. There you go. Put it down if you do an envelope, a note card, something like that. Close it up. Has this heavy duty return. Can adjust the tension of the spring.